Krazy Kreations, how are you? Whew. Can you believe it is the end of July? I can't get over it. Honestly, I can't get over it. All right, let me pull up the live. All right, so I came on here. Whoopsie. Let's see. Nope, that's not what I want. Let's see. I was just rocking out to country music. Rocking out to country music. I sound so old. Holy mackerel. Roxanne! How are you, girl? All right. So, hey, Teresa. Oop, I hear my voice. That can't be good. All right. Where are we? Right here. Hey, Shirley. Hey, Misty. Hey, Susan. All right. So you guys know what to do. Why am I hearing myself? Oh, right there. Okay. So... all right. Pin that. Pin. There we go. Awesome. Okay. So, this is going to be quick. Feed? I don't know what that says. Hey, Melissa. Hey, Burma. Hey, Susan. Hey, Jojo. How are ya? Hey, Janice. I'm excited for today. I've been looking forward to today because tonight in my private group, we have a special guest coming in. We're having a Zoom call, and it's all about branding and logos and marketing your business, and I'm so looking forward to it. So, the clubbies, we're all getting together at 7 p.m. tonight, and I'm excited for our guest to come in. I'm okay. Today I got 3 stitches. Why? Cut myself with a knife on your finger. Oh, boy, during a seizure. Girl, you got to be careful. Oh, no. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Reba. Hey, Kay. Hey, Jeanette. All right. So I wanted to come on here. What is today? Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. July 28th. I cannot believe it is July. I feel like my birthday was just yesterday. How did this happen? So I wanted to come on and remind you guys that the 25% off in my shop ends midnight Eastern Standard Time. So all you West Coast people that are still hemming and hawing, should I get the Doodle Caddy? Should I get the Perfect Tails? Listen, this is your chance. You have 3 days left to use that code July 25, okay? When I know I'm not going to do another 25% off for the new year. Until, I'm not going to do one from now until at least maybe 2021. So this is your opportunity, guys, all right? Hi, Diane. Hey, Peggy. Hey, Anna. Hey, Linda. How are you guys? Thank you guys for spreading the love. I appreciate it. Who knows? Might do a giveaway. I'm just on here to chit-chat, see how everyone's doing, and to just remind you guys that code July 25 is going to go away at midnight on the 31st, which is, let's say, Tuesday. I'm assuming it's Friday night. Is that Friday night? Hey, Teresa from Indiana. How are you? So I've been busy. I've been calling a lot of people. And it's so funny. The last person I just called, and they were like, oh, my God, I can't believe I'm speaking to Katie from Krazy Mazie. Because a lot of people, you want to see orders, guys? This is a stack of people that have ordered Doodle Caddies. Okay, look at this stack. This is just Doodle Caddy orders. Doodle Caddies. Okay? But in this stack, do you see the paper clips? They're divided because some people are not putting what they want on it, how they want it to read, personalized. So I have to call them and say, you've got to step. This is going to delay your Doodle Caddy, So it kind of makes a little extra work for me. So when you order your Doodle Caddy, if you plan on ordering your Doodle Caddy, in the section where it says notes, and it's in the descriptions, it tells you in big red letters, okay, what up to 21 characters, put what you want. So if you want, like I have Krazy Mazie Kreations, you want the name of your business, you want your name on it, you want your children's name on it, you want bless this mess, or I have a lot of people that do that, put like sayings like bless this mess or something. Hey Megan, how are you, sweet thing? Hey Reba. Hey, Cassie, trying to spread the love, but it keeps giving me an error message. Hey, Rachel. Facebook has been wonky. Facebook and Etsy. Yesterday, Etsy, Lord, thank goodness. I thank God that I saw Damon's live, and literally Doodles was in Etsy about to ship. And thank goodness I caught him in time, because we had a few things to ship last night from Etsy. And I caught him just in time. So that worked out really well. Thank God for Damon. Appreciate him. Hey, Robin. How are you? Hey, Rhea. So I just wanted to get on here and remind you guys about that July 25. Because it's going away. It's going away. And as you can see here, I'm cutting ribbon with my Perfect Tails. Hey, Dana. How are you? Hey, Marilyn. Thanks, Sue. I know. Etsy, but it's up and working today, so we can get those orders out. So, I think, I don't know what the glitch, I think it was something with the decimal point. It was being moved over. So your shipping could have been, like Damon said, $850, but they were charging you $850. Thank God I didn't go near Etsy. Thank God I caught Doodles in time. Don't tell anyone I'm watching you because I'm at work. Susan, I won't tell anyone. Shh, we'll whisper. Hey, Bettina from Jersey. How are you, girl? So I am bombarded with orders. That's what I'm doing. Tonight I have my Zoom call with, I'm so excited about tonight in my group. And tomorrow is Wednesday, so I go live tomorrow night at 8 p.m. And then Thursday, 3 Gals Thursday. So if you guys have not joined the Crafty Club Market, because yesterday I did a live in there showing them the new kit that's available. And they get first sneak peeks, and so does my private group. So they have seen it, and it's adorable. So if you haven't joined, hey, Catherine, how are you? Hey, Tom Tom. Hey, Elizabeth. So if you haven't seen it, grab it, okay? Because I got to say, these Crafty Club marketers, is that what you want to call them, marketers? They are scooping them up. When they get first looks, you know, they're smart. They grab them. And Tweety Tom in the house. So we have some left. Hopefully this will be some left for Thursday. Okay, someone's scratching. She knows I'm live. I don't know how she stinking knows I'm live. May, how do you know? Look at your little tail going, you little stubster. I call her little tail stubster. It's a stubsterini. How do you know I'm live? How do you know? She just knows. Hey, Michelle. Hey, Kimberly from Texas. Hey, Stacy. Say hi to everyone. Can you say hi? We just had some apples, doing healthy, drinking water, eating healthy snacks during the day, right? Are you falling? Don't fall on Mama. There we go. You're good. So I wanted to make this a quick live, guys. I want to tell you about the July 25. So if you're looking for a Doodle Caddy, Perfect Tails, a wreath kit, a wreath, signs, whatever it is off the total. It's 25% off the total complete order, okay? The only thing in my shop that's not 25% off are the t-shirts, or the apparel. So if you go into my Etsy, if you go into my website, 25% off, same code, July 25. Good for 3 more days. Can you believe that, May? 3 more days. Yep. Hey, Jenny, how are ya? You know how she knows? She hears you talk. I know, but she's literally at the other end of the house. Like, literally at the other end. I don't know how she hears me. I mean, I know I'm loud, but am I that loud? Maybe say hi to everyone. Say hi. No? You don't want to look at them? Well, there you go. Do you see them now? No, up there. Do you see them? Huh? Hey, do you see them? All right, guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to get on here and remind you, check out my website and my Etsy. Lots of good things on there. July 25 code. All right, guys. Have a great and blessed Tuesday. I hope you enjoy the rest of it. And Clubbies, I'll see you tonight on the Zoom call, 7 p.m. Eastern. Bye, guys.